Hi everybody. Now I would like to teach you about the degrees of comparison. What is called degrees of comparison in the English language? Let us know in this session very clearly. In the English language, we have three kinds of degrees of comparison of adjectives. They are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. What is called positive degree, what is called comparative degree, and what is called superlative degree? In the English language, a verb has three forms such as present tense, past tense, and past participle. In the same way, in the English language, we have three forms for the adjective such as positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Now, adjective 1 is called positive degree, adjective 2 is called comparative degree, and adjective 3 is called superlative degree. Now let us know about the positive degree. What is called positive degree? An adjective without comparison is said to be in the positive degree. For example, Rohan is a tall boy. Rohan is a tall boy. The rose is a beautiful flower. What is called comparative degree? An adjective used to compare two things or two persons is said to be in the comparative degree. For example, Rohan is more taller than Mohan. Rohan is more taller than Mohan. The rose is more beautiful flower than the jasmine. What is called superlative degree? An adjective used to compare more than two things or two persons is said to be in the superlative degree, and which indicates the highest degree of an adjective, which means an adjective indicates the highest quality of an adjective, which is said to be in the superlative degree. For example, Rohan is the tallest of all the boys in the class. Rohan is the tallest of all the boys in the class. In such a way, the rose is the most beautiful flower. Okay, have you understood? If you practice all these degrees of comparison such as positive, comparative and superlative, you will have the command over degrees of comparison in order to communicate by using all these three degrees effectively. Okay, in my next session I shall come with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.